Hey guys, I have partnered with Sally Beauty and I'm going to share my go-to winter beauty regimen with you using some amazing products that are ideal for dry hair and skin. I have already shampooed my hair and now it is time to deep condition. Today I will be using Texture ID's Deep Treatment Mask. This mask is very thick and creamy and it is ideal for all hair types. It will restore and strengthen your hair and it also provides hydration to thirsty curls. As you guys can see, I am just smoothing the product throughout my hair. This is very important when you are applying deep conditioner. You want to make sure that every strand is coated properly so you can get the proper hydration in your hair. Now I'm taking my Tangle Teaser and I'm just going to detangle my hair to make sure that the conditioner is really in there. As you guys can see, I'm really working the deep conditioner in. We want our hair to be nice and hydrated for the very dry winter and the colder temperatures because our hair can get very dry in this type of season and climate. Now I am done with the deep conditioner and I am getting ready to add my plastic cap to allow it to sit on my hair a little longer, and I'm just gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. I have rinsed all of the deep conditioner out and now it is time for styling. So I am going to use the Texture ID styling cream as my leave-in because it is very thick and it has a good amount of slip and it will also moisturize my curls. And I'm also going to use the Main Choice 24 karat ancient Egyptian glistening gold gel. This gel smells so good and it is so pretty to me, y'all. Like, it really is. I love pretty packaging. Anyway, I will be smoothing this gel on my hair after my leave-in, and this will provide shine and definition to my curls. I have already smoothed the styling cream throughout my hair because we want our hair to be nice and moisturized, and I'm going to add some more to the sections and really work it through. This is what I'm doing right now. And we're going to add some more. We really want to moisturize this hair, and I'm just going to take my brush and detangle because I want a nice smooth twist out. Now I'm taking the twisting gel and we're going to smooth that on the hair as well, and I'm going to detangle with it, and then we are going to smooth and twist. And now this part is very easy. You just want to take your time. You guys have seen me do twist outs before and I'm just twisting all over. And now I'm just going to finish up my twist. I love the way they look. This is a great sign, nice and shiny. They're very soft and it just looks great to me. So now while I'm letting my twist air dry, I'm going to take the Americano Mask. This mask is amazing. This mask is by Beyond Belief. Recently I have been a fan of sheet mask and this one delivers. I love it because it moisturizes my skin and rejuvenates it at the same time. I live in Colorado and it's pretty dry here, so you know my skin needs the extra moisture. And I'm just going to apply it over my face. It looks so funny. So now it's time to remove the mask and I'm going to pat my face dry and just really pat it in, and it feels great. And I'm going to moisturize my skin. Now it is time for me to untwist my hair. This is one of my favorite parts, and I am slowly removing the twist, and then I'm gonna take my time and separate them because I do want volume. And as you guys can see, my hair has a nice shine to it and it is so soft. I wish you guys could feel it. It really is soft. I think the combination with the gel and the Texture ID styling cream gave me great results. I'm loving the way my twists are coming out because it's light and fluffy and airy, but it's moisturized at the same time. And yeah, my skin is looking nice to me. It's glowing, it looks hydrated, and here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. My hair is soft and bouncy, and all the products mentioned in this video can be found at Sally Beauty, and they can also be found in my curated store on Sally Beauty's website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.